Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to go through one of the problems from the end of the year assessment. I am not going to use this as an assessment, but just another resource for you to practice math. So today this reviews problem 1 from the end of year assessment on line plot. Annabelle is measuring the widths of coins from around the world. Create a line plot using her measurement data. So you'll see that they've given you a tally chart over here where they have different measurements and then the number of coins at that measurement. And so as we look at our line plot, you'll see that we have 1/2 of an inch, 3/4, 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. And so looking here, the measure of 1/2 has 3 tally marks. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw 3 X's. Oops, and I'm going to erase that and make it slightly smaller. I apologize, friends. That was a big X. Okay, so I'm going to bring to the smallest size, and I'm going to create 3 X's stacked on top of each other. And again, my marker, I'm using a trackpad, so it doesn't always write as well as if I was using an actual piece of paper and pen. Now, looking at 3/4 inch, you have 2 tally marks. So again, try to make your X's similar in size. And I'm stacking them on top. So I have 2 coins at that width. And then 1 inch, I have 4. So I'm going to draw 4 X's. Excuse me. There we go. Okay, sorry about that last X. Then at 1 1/4, I have 2, so I'm drawing 2 X's. And then finally 1 1/2 inches in width, I have 1, so I'm drawing 1 inch. So that's how you solve problem 1. And again, this is a line plot. Now I want to speak to you about some of the components of this line plot. So you'll notice that we have a title at the top, and the important words in the title are capitalized. So measures, world, and coins. Then below we have a label, and it tells you what these numbers represent. And so those numbers represent the width in inches for these coins. And so as you work on this problem, you have a couple of ways that you can do this. You can print it off and solve it using a pencil. You could also use a whiteboard or another piece of paper and draw it yourself. So you decide how you want to solve this problem. And I hope that it helps you to review this information. Again, this is a type of graph that you could use to represent data. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening today.